Alright guys, so I haven't made a video in a while, so I figured I'd do a checkup on my bike. Once again, it's a FreeAgent Maverick, but it's the Rockstar Energy Drink edition. Yeah. So for a checkup, I really haven't done much to it, like, nothing really good on it. I have the same back rim that I had before. It used to be silver, though I painted it red. You can see I use brakes, so it wears it down a little unevenly. But from a distance, it looks pretty cool. I'm planning on getting the front rim red too. If you notice, the back tire is thicker than before. I can't really see that, but it's because it was the front tire. I took the front tire off, put it on the back, and put a different tire on the front one that was thicker. You can see that. This tire is a lot better than the well, this tire is a lot better than the really skinny one that I had in the back, but like that much, and I was just already suffered a blowout with that thing. It pissed me off. I was downtown, like, I don't know, like 6 miles from my house, and the tire pops. I'm like, really? Okay, there's a bike shop in town, so I went to that. And, that's about it for things that I've done to it. I guess I've adjusted my handlebars back a little. You can see that, yeah. The seat's staying. I still haven't gotten new pedals for it. I still got the original plastic pedals here. Which piss me off because they don't grip me right. I mean, because they're plastic. And I still have the big sprocket. Haven't gotten a different chain for it yet. I'm planning on getting like a red one. Maybe yellow. And the reason I haven't really gotten a new sprocket for it is because I need a whole different hub in the back for the small sprocket, the 9-tooth. And I just don't have the money for that right now. I'm starting to get a little more interested into BMX right now. Like my little Flex Fit sticker there. But I've been trying to learn some new tricks like manualing and I can't even remember what I've been learning. Like manual, getting the J-hop better. If you guys have any tricks that are really easy or tips, could you please let me know, because I'm trying to get better at BMX and I don't know if I'm doing it the right way. I've been looking at videos on YouTube, people doing 180s. That's the other thing I'm learning is 180s. But yeah. Let me know if you guys have any like hints on, you know, BMXing. Alright, thank you guys for watching. That's my checkup on the FreeAgent Maverick Rockstar Energy Drink Edition. Alright, thank you guys for watching.